it's Regine. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribe and share my videos, and I ask you to continue to do so. In today's video, I will be giving you guys some ideas of things that you can do while in quarantine. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm checking my list. Okay, let's get into it. Number one on my list is writing. If you love to write, this is the best time to do so. You can write a music if you know how to. You can write a poem, write a story, write a book, write a business plan that you had in mind. Number two is to read. Listen, if you want to expand your knowledge, improve your vocabulary, reading is the best way to do it. Also, if you're a believer, read your Bible, especially if you want a closer relationship with God. Number three on the list is taking online class. Right now, there are a lot of universities and colleges that are offering classes online for free. Take advantage of that. Number four on the list is to learn a new language. Listen, there are a lot of websites and apps that you can download to learn a new language. For example, there's this app named Duolingo. You can download it and learn a new language. I started using this app to learn Spanish, but I kind of stopped. But I plan to go back. So number five on the list is to develop a new skill. Number six is to go to your camera roll and delete unwanted pictures. Listen, the other day I went to my phone and I deleted 1,500 pictures and videos. Listen, now is the best time to clean up your phone. I'm sure you need the space, so get rid of unwanted pictures and videos. Number seven on the list is to catch up on your favorite shows. I know the students, listen, especially the nursing student, my fellow nursing student, we don't usually have the time to keep up with our favorite shows, but now is the perfect time to do so. Number eight on the list is to make a bucket list. Make a bucket list, a travel bucket list, or anything that you want to accomplish. So take the time, put it in writing. Number nine on the list is to create a budget. Having a budget can help you save money. It can help you control your expenses. So it is important to try to have a budget if you're trying to save. Number 10 on the list is to memorize your lab values. This is for my fellow nursing students. Now is the best time to memorize your lab values. I memorize them because I know we use them. We will use them throughout nursing school and throughout the nursing career. So it's best to try to, now that we have the time, to try to memorize them. Number 11 on the list is to do research. Anything that you want to get more knowledge about, anything that interests you, do research about it. Number 12 on the list is for my gentleman, is play video games. I know you guys love that. I can do it all day long. My brothers does it. So now is the best time to just chill and play video games all day long. Number 13 is to make a playlist. Listen, gather all the songs that you like and make a playlist. Number 14 is to eat and sleep well. I don't mean to eat all your quarantine snack, but try to eat well, try to eat on time. Number 15 and the last one on the list is to exercise. Exercising is essential during this time, especially that now that we're not as active as we used to be. It is important to try to keep up and stay active because exercising is important. Exercising can benefit you in a lot of ways, such as it can help with blood circulation, it can help strengthen your cardiovascular system, It can help with relaxation and sleep quality. Can also boost your mental health. It can increase your energy level and also help you lose weight, which is one of the reasons why I'm trying to exercise a lot, because I'm trying to lose some weight. And it can also help reduce your risk of developing a lot of chronic diseases. So, tell me why you shouldn't exercise. Guys, this was the last thing on my list. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comment below. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And listen, don't forget to share my videos with all your families, friends, and everyone you know. Thank you. I love you guys.